Hey everyone, welcome back to Isobe Food. Today we're paying homage to a restaurant and a dish that I just can't get out of my head. I so happened to wander into Brooklyn's own Wilma Jean on its final day of business. I know, it's sad, but I did leave having had the most ultimate burrito. Rob Newton created the fried chicken burrito. It's stuffed with fried chicken, Hoppin' John, collard greens, buttered rice. Today, we're going to recreate it right here in the kitchen. Be sure to check out isobefood.com for all the ingredients and written recipe. Let's get started. We're going to dry brine our chicken overnight using the same method from my spatchcock turkey episode. Dry boneless, skinless chicken thighs using paper towels and mix together kosher salt and baking powder. Season the chicken on both sides with the salt mixture. Place on a wire rack and refrigerate uncovered for a minimum of 3 hours or overnight. On to some Hoppin' John prep. Soak 1 pound of dried black-eyed peas in 2 quarts of water for a minimum of 8 hours or overnight. Heat a large pot over medium-high heat for 1 minute. Add in some vegetable oil along with diced onion, celery, and carrot, and a pinch of kosher salt. Saute until translucent, about 7 minutes. Add in some garlic and cook, stirring often for 1 minute. Add in your drained and rinsed black-eyed peas along with some diced tomatoes with some green chilies, a smoked ham hock, some dried thyme, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, a shake of cayenne, a bay leaf, and 1 quart of chicken stock. Bring to the boil over high heat. Once to the boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours or until the peas are tender. Periodically skim the top of any foam that rises. Once the peas are tender, remove the ham hock and let cool for 10 minutes. Remove the meat from the bone and add it back to the Hoppin' John. While your Hoppin' John is simmering, rinse and clean your collard greens. Remove the rib from the leaves and cut into 2-inch strips. Bring 1.5 quarts of water to the boil and add in a ½ pound of smoked pork ribs along with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, garlic powder, hot sauce, and butter. Let the braising liquid simmer for 30 minutes before dropping in the collards. Simmer the greens for 20 to 30 minutes until tender. As usual, remove the meat from the bone and mix it in with the collards. Last step is to fry up your chicken thighs. Pound out the chicken to 3/4 of an inch uniform thickness. Mix together all-purpose flour, kosher salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Mix to fully combine. Dredge each piece of chicken in the seasoned flour, shaking off excess flour and set aside. Whisk together buttermilk, an egg, hot sauce, and apple cider vinegar. Pour in 3 to 4 tablespoons of the buttermilk mixture into the flour and mix to create clumps. Dip each thigh into the buttermilk mixture and then coat each piece in the flour, being sure to adhere the moist clumps. Shake off excess flour and place the chicken on a wire rack to rest. Place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to let the coating stick. Heat peanut oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully add the chicken thighs, dropping them away from you to avoid splashing. Cook for 7 to 9 minutes, flipping periodically until crispy golden brown and cooked through. Transfer to a wire rack to drain and season lightly with kosher salt. To assemble, lay out a bed of buttered, steamed white rice. Layer with chopped fried chicken and spoonfuls of Hoppin' John and collard greens that have been drained of all excess liquid. Top with green onions, your favorite grated cheese, and a mixture of hot sauce and honey. Wrap the burrito like a pro, and you're good to go. So there you have it, folks, the fried chicken burrito. This thing is packed with fried chicken and all the fixins. It really is all of the best things of soul food in one single bite. I really hope you enjoyed it today, and if you did, as always, please like, share, and subscribe. That does it for me. Be sure to come back next time to Isobe Food, where you get what you need to succeed in the kitchen. I'm your host, Jamie. I love you. I'm gonna dig in. Wow, crunchy fried chicken, the smothered greens, those peas are just melting. Best burrito I've ever had.